Ever felt like your smartwatch was trying to arm wrestle your wrist? That is exactly how many people feel about the Apple Watch Ultra. It is an absolute beast of a machine. Apple built it to survive the frozen peaks of Mount Everest and the crushing depths of the ocean. It packed in a massive screen, rugged titanium armor, and a battery life that put regular smartwatches to shame. But let's be honest. For the vast majority of normal human beings who do not spend their weekends escaping avalanches, the Ultra came with a giant, heavy problem. It was just too big. Wearing it felt less like wearing a sleek timepiece and more like strapping a bulky desktop computer directly onto your forearm. It got violently snagged on your favorite jacket sleeves. It slammed into door frames as you walked past. Trying to wear it to bed to track your sleep felt like sleeping with a brick tied to your arm. Millions of users absolutely loved the wild features, but they deeply hated the massive bulk. For years, the tech world begged Apple to fix this. And now, the wait is finally over. Incredible new leaks exploding straight out of the supply chain prove that Apple is working on a total ground-up redesign. This is not some boring, predictable yearly update where they change the box color and call it a day. This is the biggest, most aggressive shakeup to the Ultra lineup since the very first model hit the market. Surprisingly, the biggest news is not a brighter screen or a flashier casing. It is all about how the watch actually feels on your body. Major industry reports confirm that Apple is successfully shrinking the heavy titanium frame, making the entire body up to 15% thinner. Now on paper, 15% might sound like a tiny, insignificant change. But in reality, when you wear something on your skin all day long, it completely changes the game. A thinner watch sits much closer to your wrist. It lowers the center of gravity and distributes the weight perfectly across your arm. Think about your daily routine. You wear your smartwatch when you go for a grueling morning run. You wear it during an exhausting 8-hour shift at work. You wear it while you rest at night. A lighter, slimmer frame makes every single one of those moments feel effortless. It means you will no longer feel forced to rip the watch off your wrist the second you climb into bed. It means your arm won't feel tired and weighed down by the end of a hectic afternoon. It makes the rugged Ultra look sleek, elegant, and incredibly modern. Most importantly, it finally opens the door for people with smaller wrists who always wanted the premium features but refused to wear a giant tank. For the very first time, the world's most powerful rugged watch will actually feel like a normal, comfortable timepiece. But this dramatic shift in design created a terrifying nightmare for Apple's top engineers. In the world of technology, when you make a gadget thinner, you lose precious space inside the chassis. Usually, the very first thing that gets cut to save space is the battery. But smartwatch users do not care about a beautiful, slim design if the device dies right in the middle of a busy workday. They want a reliable tool that lasts. The current Ultra model is legendary for its massive multi-day battery life, and ruining that would have been a catastrophic mistake for Apple. So how did they solve this massive puzzle? They didn't just cram a bigger battery inside. Instead, they focused entirely on mind-blowing internal efficiency. The secret weapon is hidden deep inside the watch's main logic board. The upcoming Ultra model is getting a brand new engine called the S12 processor. This revolutionary chip is built using a highly advanced 3-nanometer manufacturing process. In plain language, it means the microscopic parts inside the chip are packed incredibly close together. Because the components are so close, electricity does not have to travel far at all to complete a task. This saves a mind-boggling amount of electrical power. The S12 chip can crush heavy, complex tasks while using only a tiny fraction of the energy that older watches needed. It is a true miracle of modern engineering. Because the brain of the watch is so efficient, Apple can easily shrink the physical body without hurting your battery life at all. In fact, early leaks suggest the battery life is getting even better than before. The new watch is rumored to hit an astonishing 72 hours of continuous use on a single charge. This is all made possible by a highly upgraded, intelligent low-power mode. Imagine packing your bags for a fun weekend getaway and leaving your bulky charger at home. You can hike through the woods, swim in the lake, track your heavy workouts, and monitor your deep sleep for 3 full days without a single worry. You never have to stare down at a dead, black screen. This perfect balance of a slim frame and endless battery life sets a massive new standard for the industry, proving that regular users do not have to compromise anymore. But a slim body and a stellar battery are just the baseline upgrades. Apple is also completely changing how the watch keeps tabs on your living body. They are throwing away the old, outdated health tracking methods of the past. Instead, they are introducing a completely redesigned layout for the health sensors on the back of the watch. Forget about that small, cramped cluster of flashing lights you see on older models. The new Ultra will feature a beautiful, wide, ring-shaped array packed with 8 individual high-tech sensors. This advanced ring allows the device to capture a massive amount of biological data directly from your wrist. It reads complex signals from multiple different angles and varying depths under your skin. Why on earth does Apple need 8 separate sensors? The answer is simple. They are preparing the hardware for a massive, historic medical breakthrough. The upcoming Ultra is heavily rumored to feature genuine, real-time blood pressure monitoring. In the past, other smartwatches tried to guess your blood pressure using cheap software tricks and loose mathematical estimates. They were notoriously inaccurate and required you to constantly calibrate them using actual, bulky medical equipment from a pharmacy. This new Apple system is completely different. It physically analyzes the actual flow of your blood through your veins all day long, watching exactly how your blood vessels expand and contract with every heartbeat. This single feature could literally save millions of lives. High blood pressure is universally known as a silent killer because most people have absolutely no idea they suffer from it until a major medical emergency strikes out of nowhere. This watch works quietly, safely, and constantly in the background while you live your life. If your blood pressure suddenly spikes to a dangerous level, the watch sends an immediate, vibrating alert to your wrist. It gives you a clear, life-saving warning before a minor issue turns into a tragic health crisis, transforming the watch from a simple fitness tracker into a vital, personal health guardian. Of course, an advanced medical sensor is only as good as the software that controls it. That brings us to the next massive pillar of this update. By the time this beautiful new hardware hits the shelves, Apple will launch a brand new operating system called watchOS 27. This system is built from the ground up to handle mountain ranges of data. It doesn't just collect random numbers and hide them in a messy app. It actually understands what those numbers mean for your life. It looks at your sleep quality, your daily movement, and your shifting heart rate all at the same time to create a flawless picture of your personal wellness. The true star of this software is a completely reimagined digital assistant. We all know Siri, and let's be honest, Siri has been pretty frustrating for a long time. It was fine for setting a quick egg timer or checking if it was raining outside, but if you asked it to do anything remotely complex, it completely failed and told you to pull out your iPhone instead. That old, useless version of Siri is finally dead and gone. The new version is powered entirely by Apple Intelligence, transforming it into a highly capable, context-aware digital companion. It actually knows exactly who you are, what you are doing, and what you need next. It securely reads your calendar, looks at your incoming text messages, and remembers your past habits. For example, you can simply tell your watch to send a summary of your morning run to your trainer. The assistant instantly knows which specific workout you mean, finds your trainer's contact card, and sends the text without asking a single follow-up question. It processes all of this heavy AI thinking locally, right on the watch itself. This means your private personal data never leaves your wrist to go to an external cloud server, keeping your life completely private. On-device processing changes the user experience overnight. In the past, Siri had to beam your voice across the internet to a distant server, causing a painful multi-second delay just to turn off a smart light bulb. The new 3-nanometer chip is so powerful that the AI operates instantly. You speak and the watch reacts with zero loading screens and zero waiting. When you combine this lightning-fast AI with the 8-sensor ring, something magical happens. The watch stops behaving like a lazy phone accessory and starts acting like a real-life health assistant. It notices if you are getting stressed in a tough business meeting, sees your blood pressure rise, and gently guides you through a breathing exercise. It looks at your busy afternoon schedule and reminds you to drink water. It actively works to keep you healthy, calm, and perfectly organized. This is the true, authentic vision for the future of wearable tech. For a long time, smartwatches were just tiny, compromised versions of our smartphones. They just repeated the same notifications and ran the same basic apps. This upcoming model completely breaks that boring pattern by focusing heavily on things a smartphone simply cannot do. A phone cannot stay glued to your skin while you swim, and it cannot track your blood flow while you walk. In my honest opinion, this upcoming Apple Watch Ultra redesign is the exact device we have been waiting for. It finally strips away the ridiculous heavy ego of the original design and replaces it with pure, everyday comfort without losing an ounce of its rugged soul. It is a masterpiece of balance. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the future of technology.